Do you have this light on your dash, warn engine, and you also have the triangle and the engine symbol, and it's related to the EGR system? Well, if you have that, I want to show you how to service your EGR system with little or no cost. Hello, welcome to my channel. Do you have a vehicle that's doing a lot of idling time and it has over 100,000 miles and it's showing a code that your EGR valve need to be replaced? But before you replace that EGR valve, take a look at this video and you may be able to save that EGR valve, just clean the system and get your vehicle back on the road again with very little cost. If you're not a subscriber, just hit that button, become a subscriber right away. So let's begin. Sometimes when you pull out your manifold, you can have this. It definitely needs to be cleaned. And this is what it looks like after pulling some of it off the top of it. I like to take an air nozzle, air chuck, and actually blow out as much as possible. Make sure you're wearing a face mask when you're doing this. Now I want to say, if you have not seen or you have any questions on removing the EGR valve, make sure you see this video. Here's my EGR. It definitely needs cleaning or replaced. I'm going to clean it because this is part of a regular maintenance routine. Now I have some super clean here. I took a gallon jug, cut it in half, and filled it up with super clean. And I'm just going to put it in like this and just let it soak overnight. Just scrape off the gasket. It's a lot easier to scrape it off when it's set overnight. And we're outside. Just want to rinse it off. Take an air nozzle, blow it off. Well, I think that looks as good as brand new. Now you have seen my video on me cleaning the manifold and cleaning out the ports, the two ports. If you have not seen that, make sure you see it. I'm not going to bore you with it. So I went ahead, of course I had to soak the manifold too as well. So when you clean the EGR, you're going to have to clean the manifold. You're definitely going to have to service this manifold. And again, if you have not seen the video, make sure you see that. And I must say, these gaskets are a lot easier to come off once they soak overnight. These are the gaskets you're going to need when you're cleaning your EGR. You're definitely going to have to use new gaskets over again. And show you the part number for them. Each one of them. It's the part number for this part, this gasket, and you definitely need this one here. I'll just show you the part number for that one. So we have definitely want to have some money in gaskets and degreaser. When you clean your EGR valve, make sure you clean both of these attachments that works with the EGR valve. Do not just clean this, you're going to have to clean these other two as well. Well, we have the EGR valve back in place on top of the manifold. I'm going to leave this pipe disconnected because I'm going to leave this tube disconnected for now because it bolts right up here. I'm going to leave it disconnected because I'm going to clean the EGR cooler. And if you have not seen the video on the EGR cooler clean, make sure you see that as well. So that's all it takes to service your EGR system. If your vehicle is doing a lot of idle time and you have over 100,000 miles, you may want to consider just taking time out to actually do what I did on this video. It can save your vehicle from ever going into the shop and having that downtime. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when I have a video to come out. Take care. God bless.